Hi everyone, let's look at question number 17 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of rates and ratios, and on the study matrix it's one of the mild kind of questions. So let's open this and go to question number 17. What you're told is that Isla wishes to estimate the number of trees on a bigger block of land, which is 1000 by 1000 meter. She already knows the number of trees, which is 8 trees can be planted in a 5 meter by 5 meter section. And then from this she wants to proportionate how much is in a 1000 by 1000 block. So let's take this here. Think of it this way, that in a smaller area, which is this one, 5 by 5, there are 8 trees. And in a bigger area, what they're asking is, how many trees are there? So you first need to work out the two areas. How small is this compared to this? So this area of a square is 5 times 5 is 25 meters square. So 25 meters square has 8 trees. So let's make it even more simpler. What is per meter square, how many trees? So per meter square would be, you divide it by 25. So per meter square would be 8 over 25 trees. What is the area here for this bigger land? This area is 1000 by 1000 is equal to 1 million meters square. So if this is per meter square, this is the fraction for the number of trees. You multiply it by 1 million meters square. And in return what you get is the number of trees, which is 320,000.